Xiaomi is coming back with its Redmi Note series, and this time it's the Redmi Note 12 series. Now it will be coming with the three smartphones in the lineup, and which are going to be the Note 12, the Note 10 Pro, and the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. Now what we know so far about the smartphone is it some of its processor, the camera details, and also the launch date. Now, first of all, jumping right into the processor thing, then the Redmi Note 12 will be coming with the Snapdragon 4 Gen 1. The Redmi Note 12 Pro and the Pro Plus will be coming with the MediaTek Dimensity 1080. Now, what's also to be noted is that Redmi is right now teasing a 200 megapixel camera for the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus 5G smartphone, and the Redmi Note 12 Pro will be coming with a 50 megapixel of Sony IMX766 camera, and it will also support an OIS 2. Now, what we also know about this smartphone will be coming on the 5th of January 2023, which is now we are less than a month away from the launch of these smartphones. But apart from that, the phone will also be coming with a super fast charging of up to 120 watts of fast charging, which we have also seen in the Note 11 series of smartphone. Now, overall, the Redmi Note series is been India's most popular in the budget segment smartphones, and people have loved and praised the Redmi smartphones over the past years. And this time, if the pricing are correct, then this will also be no different. Now, what do you think about these smartphones and the price we can expect to be around to be of Redmi for the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus for the highest top variant to be around 28,000 rupees for the maxed out variant, but you can expect these smartphones to be priced at around starting for 18 to 19,000 rupees. Now, what do you think about this video? If you like this video, then do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.